Welcome to Rahul Texture Art. Today, we are not simply creating a painting, we are entering a world of textures, a world where emotions can be touched and beauty can be felt not only with the eyes, but also with the hands. Sometimes, the heart understands what words cannot. For this journey, we need only a few simple tools, a humble palette knife, some colors, and today, a few canvas cutouts. It is amazing how ordinary things can transform into artistic marvels. Before beginning, let us revisit one of our previous creations. Feel those raised textures. Run your fingers gently across the surface. Every ridge, every curve carries a silent story. Texture is not merely seen, texture is experienced. Now, let us begin. Grab your palette knife, sit back, relax, and come along for this happy artistic ride. There are no mistakes here, only discoveries, only joy, only beautiful experiments. First, we take some scrap canvas. Instead of throwing them away, we give them a second life, cutting them into small, natural, organic shapes. No measurements, no perfection. Nature itself becomes our guide. Now, the layering magic begins. Piece by piece, shape by shape. Slowly, a new story starts emerging, like building memories, one beautiful layer at a time. And now, patience, perhaps the greatest artist of all. Let everything dry. Good things love to arrive slowly. Time for colors. White, black, and burnt umber. Three simple companions, blending together, creating beautiful, earthy, timeless shades. Soft, warm, and full of character. A touch of white to soften the strength of the background, bringing calm, bringing balance, like clouds gently floating across the sky. And now, black, adding mystery, adding shadows, adding beautiful depth, because even darkness has its own elegance. And then, turquoise. Ah, the magic of turquoise, refreshing, peaceful, and vibrant, covering the canvas cutouts, building a strong, beautiful foundation, like ocean waves meeting the morning sky. Once again, a little black, more depth, more dimension, more mystery, because every masterpiece needs contrast. And then a second coat of white, softening, balancing, uniting everything together, creating harmony. Now, metallic bronze enters the stage, applied gently, with sponge techniques. Soft touches, little whispers of light, creating reflections and bringing warmth to the composition. Simple, yet magical. Finally, the turquoise returns, fresh, elegant, and full of life, completing the story with grace. And now, the moment we have been waiting for. The reveal. Textures, colors, depth, and emotions all coming together. A simple canvas, transformed into something extraordinary. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful, creative, and joyful journey. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep touching the world with beauty.